Imagine slipping away to a hidden gem in the Indian Ocean, an island paradise where volcanic peaks rise dramatically over turquoise waters, markets buzz with vibrant colors and scents, and untouched beaches stretch as far as the eye can see. This is Comoros, a small archipelago packed with natural wonders and cultural treasures waiting to be discovered. Today, we're counting down the top 10 places to visit in Comoros, each one a captivating chapter in the story of this enchanting island nation. Ready to explore? Let's jump right in. Number 10. Ikoni Village. A peaceful fishing community perched along the coast of Grande Comore. Here, time slows down. You'll find locals mending their nets by the shore, while traditional wooden boats bob gently in the calm waters. The village's simple charm is heightened by stunning ocean views and quiet beaches that invite reflection. It's a perfect spot to experience authentic island life away from the usual tourist paths. But Ikoni's tranquil atmosphere is just the start. Next, we're climbing to the roof of Comoros itself. Wander past stone ruins that whisper tales of old sultans and centuries of resistance. The village is dotted with ancient mosques and coral stone houses that tell stories through their weathered facades. Women in colorful kangas move gracefully through the alleys, carrying baskets of spices and fresh fish. Children play barefoot near the shore, their laughter rising with the tide. The smell of coconut oil and grilled bread lingers in the air, especially around dusk. It's the kind of place where strangers greet you like family. In Ikoni, serenity isn't just found, it's lived. Number 9. Mount Karthala. One of the largest active volcanoes in the world and the crown jewel of Grande Comore. Hikers from around the globe trek up its steep slopes, eager for the chance to peer into its massive crater, filled with steaming vents and alien-like landscapes. The journey is challenging, but the payoff is extraordinary. Panoramic views that stretch across the archipelago and a glimpse into the raw power that shaped these islands. It's a reminder that Comoros is a land born from fire and full of untamed energy. Yet, for those who prefer life beneath the waves, our next stop offers a very different kind of adventure. The trail winds through dense cloud forests, where rare birds and chameleons peer from the trees. Mist wraps around the summit like a veil, giving every step a mystical feel. Local guides share legends of spirits said to dwell within the volcano's core. At sunrise, the sky erupts with color, mirroring the fiery past of the mountain beneath. Cracks in the ground emit heat, reminding visitors that the earth here is still very much alive. Campers who overnight on the slopes often speak of a silence so deep it feels sacred. Mount Karthala isn't just a hike, it's a rite of passage. Number 8. Mohéli Marine Park, the first protected marine area in Comoros. This underwater sanctuary teems with life. Graceful sea turtles glide through coral reefs. Playful dolphins leap across the waves, and vibrant schools of fish paint the seascape with color. Snorkelers and divers here find a paradise of biodiversity, rarely seen elsewhere. The park isn't just about wildlife. It's a testament to Comoros' commitment to preserving its natural heritage. From the depths of the ocean, we surface back into history as we explore the bustling heart of the capital city. During turtle nesting season, you might witness baby turtles racing toward the sea under a moonlit sky. Sea fans and coral towers sway gently in the current, providing shelter to a rainbow of marine creatures. Local fishermen use age-old techniques that work in harmony with the sea, honoring the balance between tradition and conservation. Kayakers glide over crystal-clear shallows, where the reef is visible from above. The waters here feel untouched, like nature's own cathedral. Sunset boat rides offer the chance to spot whales migrating through the warm channel. Mohéli Marine Park isn't just a destination, it's an underwater dreamscape. Number 7. Moroni, Medina. The historic old town of Comoros' capital. Wander through narrow alleys lined with carved wooden doors, markets bursting with spices, textiles, and fresh produce, and mosques that whisper stories from centuries past. The architecture blends Swahili, Arab, and French influences, reflecting the island's rich cultural tapestry. It's a place where every corner invites discovery, and every scent tells a story. After soaking in the urban charm, it's time to reconnect with nature's tranquility. The scent of clove and cinnamon lingers in the air, drifting from market stalls stacked high with goods. Artisans sell hand-woven baskets and intricate silver jewelry, each piece holding generations of craftsmanship. Arabic calligraphy adorns mosque walls, echoing prayers across cobblestone courtyards. Street cafes buzz with conversation over tiny cups of spiced coffee and flaky sambusa pastries. Elders gather beneath shaded verandas, playing board games and trading stories. The sea glimmers at the edge of the Medina, where fishermen unload the day's catch. Moroni Medina isn't frozen in time, it's alive with memory. The waterfalls of Anjouan, Anjouan Island. This is where lush rainforests give way to cascading waters that cool the air and soothe the soul. Trails wind through verdant foliage, revealing hidden pools perfect for a refreshing dip. The sound of rushing water blends with the calls of tropical birds, creating a serene soundtrack for your adventure. Photographers will find endless inspiration here, capturing nature's artistry in every frame. From refreshing waterfalls, we journey to one of Comoros' most inviting coastlines. The mossy rocks shimmer under constant spray, creating rainbows in the morning light. You can follow butterflies as they flutter beside the trail, guiding you deeper into the forest. Local guides explain the medicinal uses of plants along the path, adding depth to the natural wonder. Villagers sometimes gather at the pools to bathe, wash clothes, or simply enjoy the coolness in the heat. The air is thick with the scent of wild orchids and damp earth. Some waterfalls plunge dramatically, while others trickle in delicate veils of silver. Each one feels like nature's secret waiting to be found. 5. Chomoni Beach, a stretch of white sand kissed by crystal clear waters. This spot offers the kind of calm and beauty that calls you to slow down and simply be present. Sunbathe under palm trees, swim in gentle waves, or stroll along the shore collecting shells. It's the perfect escape for anyone looking to unwind and soak in the island's natural beauty without the crowds. The sound of waves here is hypnotic, soft, steady, and soothing. Coconut trees sway overhead, offering shade and an occasional fresh snack. Small beach shacks sell grilled seafood and cool drinks with a view of the horizon. Children build sandcastles and laugh as they race the waves back to shore. At golden hour, the entire beach glows like a postcard come to life. Chomoni isn't just peaceful, it's perfection made tangible. 4. Dziancoundre Beach, a hotspot for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Here, colourful coral gardens teem with fish of all shapes and sizes, creating an underwater kaleidoscope. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, the warm waters offer a front-row seat to marine wonders. Floating weightlessly among reefs alive with colour is an unforgettable experience that connects you to Comoros' vibrant sea life. After exploring below the waves, we head back to shore to visit a village where tradition is built by hand. On the surface, the beach is lively, families enjoying picnics, friends playing volleyball, and vendors selling cold coconuts. But just beneath, a different world awaits. Sea anemones wave gently, clownfish dart through tunnels, and octopuses camouflage against rocky reefs. Local diving schools offer lessons with passionate instructors who know every crevice of the reef. The clarity of the water means you can often spot marine life, even while standing in waist-deep surf. Night dives reveal bioluminescent plankton glowing like stars underwater. Dziancoundre is a bridge between two worlds, one of joy on land and one of magic beneath the sea. 3. Nioumachoua village. Here showcases Comoros' rich craftsmanship through its traditional boat-building culture. Watch skilled artisans shape wooden boats using time-honored techniques passed down through generations. These vessels are not only functional but also works of art, essential for fishing and transport across the islands. The village's serene seaside setting adds to its charm, inviting visitors to slow down and appreciate the deep relationship between people and ocean. From craftsmanship to natural beauty, we now glide to a tranquil bay known for its breathtaking sunsets. Sawdust floats on sea breeze as craftsmen shape each plank with practiced precision. Hammers echo across the waterline like a song of tradition. Locals are proud of their boats. Each one is a floating storybook of family, trade, and survival. Women prepare meals nearby, infusing the air with spices as the sound of tools keeps rhythm. Kids help out or watch wide-eyed, dreaming of the day they'll build their own. The bay nearby hosts vibrant coral life, often used for quick afternoon swims after long workdays. Nioumachoua is where heritage is carved, not just remembered. 2. Chomoni Bay. Famous for its calm waters and stunning evening skies. As the sun dips below the horizon, the bay transforms into a canvas painted with fiery oranges, pinks, and purples. Kayaking here lets you glide silently over the water, absorbing the peacefulness and beauty around you. Fishermen cast their lines nearby, adding a timeless rhythm to the scene. It's a place to pause and reflect, a quiet moment before we reveal our #1 destination. Crabs scurry across sandbanks as twilight falls, and seabirds dive gracefully for one last meal. The water reflects the sky so perfectly it feels like you're floating through a dream. Lovers sit on rocks, sharing stories as night slowly wraps the island in velvet. The air is warm, still, and filled with the scent of sea salt and jasmine. Lanterns flicker in distant homes, and the sound of gentle waves replaces all thought. Chomoni Bay is more than beautiful. It's healing. It reminds you to breathe, to be still, and to simply be. 1. Grande Comoros Island. This is the largest and most diverse of the Comoros Islands. From volcanic peaks and lush forests to pristine beaches and bustling markets, Grande Comoros offers the ultimate Comorian experience. Explore cultural sites, sample local cuisine, and meet welcoming communities proud of their heritage. Whether you're hiking Mount Karthala, strolling through Moroni's Medina, or relaxing on a remote beach, this island embodies the spirit of Comoros. Wild, warm, and wonderfully unexpected. The coastline alone stretches for miles, revealing hidden coves, coral reefs, and secret picnic spots. In the highlands, vanilla and ylang-ylang plantations perfume the breeze with a scent you'll never forget. Locals are quick to share stories, tea, and laughter. Hospitality is a way of life here. Roads twist through villages where goats wander freely, and murals bring walls to life. Nighttime reveals a sky so clear, the Milky Way feels within reach. Markets hum with energy, selling hand-woven goods, volcanic stone crafts, and sweet coconut treats. Grande Comoros isn't just an island, it's a universe of experiences waiting to be lived. Comoros may be small, but its beauty and culture stretch far beyond its shores. From volcanic craters to coral reefs, ancient towns to tranquil bays, these top 10 places reveal a destination full of surprises, waiting for curious travelers. So next time you dream of an island escape, consider Comoros, a place where every visit feels like discovering a secret paradise all your own.